All right, I'm glad to have you in class this afternoon. We are asked to name the compound on the board. Um, to name this compound, we'll try to identify the longest chain. Now, take note that in this compound, this is the longest chain. Okay, having how many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms. 4 carbon atoms. Okay, so principally, this is a butane structure. Butane. But this structure has branch chains. This structure has branch chains. This is one, okay? These are all branch chains, making it not to be straight anymore, okay? It's no more principally butane, although it's a butane derivative, okay? It's still under alkane family, but the presence of these other groups, okay, now gives us another name, not just butane. All right. So, how do we give it a name? Let's firstly number the carbon atoms. Take note that this is a hydroxy group from alkanol. Hydroxy, okay, and then this is methyl, branch chain, methyl, okay. So, in numbering this structure, whichever direction we decide to use, either this or this, it will give us the same name because the hydroxy group are both on the second and third. If we follow this direction, second and third. If we follow this direction, second and third. Okay, so we can choose to use any of them. Don't be confused with this. This is CH3, the same thing, and this is OH. It's just the mirror image of the structure. So they are the same thing with this and this. I hope you follow it. So in name of the compound, let's just put the number 1 here. Okay, this is like the end chain. This is the end chain. Number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay, now we have the methyl group and the hydroxy group. Okay, the methyl branched chains. All right. Meanwhile, the name of this compound will have the OL. That's all. Name ending will be, since it's an alkanol or since it's a hydroxy group attached, and that hydroxy group is the main functional group here. So the name ending will have that all. But meanwhile, this has 2 OH groups. So it means name ending becomes what? Diol. That's name ending. Okay. Now to give it the name, let's start with these numbers. We have 2, 3. Okay, dimethyl. Dimethyl. Okay. Butan. The same position the metal occupies, same position the OH group occupies. So that'll still be 2, 3 what? Diol. 2, 3 dimethyl butane, 2, 3 diol is the name for this compound. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.